another part came in, and we're going to unbox that, look it over, see how it looks. Definitely got a lot going on, especially with this coronavirus thing. Just remember, don't cough, cough, pass, and keep your 6-foot distance. So let's get started today. So as you can see, it's a Chevrolet Volt battery out of a 2017 Chevrolet Volt, just like the one sitting right there. This right here is what you pull to work on the battery pack. It's the first thing you do before you actually pull the battery pack out of the car. And that's where it goes, right there. Put that in there, connects the rest of the battery pack together, and you'll have power at the power plug, which is down here, right here. And these are for your accessories, coolant lines, and I'm not liking what I'm seeing right here. That's coolant. Hopefully that's not inside the battery pack. So I'm gonna have to open up the battery pack to figure that out. I need two battery packs that will fit in here. So obviously they're not going to be in their case like this. I'm hoping that I can fit at least about 3 to 4 modules down there in the transmission tunnel. And then maybe some up here and some in the back here. But I won't know that until I actually get the measurements for everything and start working everything. Which also that means putting the Tesla front end motor in. So evidently I broke my GoPro the other day when I was recording the last video that just released this Friday the 27th, and it froze while I was recording me swap out the motor and place the Tesla motor in. So I am now showing you she fits pretty well. However, I'm going to end up having to cut out the old engine cradle and get her a little bit lower. Move the shocks, modify the cradle right there. But more than likely I'm going to end up hiring somebody to do that. That's going to do it for today's video though. Remember, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and I'll keep you all updated. COVID-19, don't cough, cough, pass again, and I'll catch you all later.